Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 88,200 right now. And the overall situation of Bitcoin has not changed. Yes, it plummeted towards the area of 81,500. But like I said, that to have any form of clarity, what we need is that Bitcoin needs to live below the $85,000 for a certain period of time for us to have any form of confirmation that it is going to go down or up. And when we look at it, just a second, I'll show it to you. There it is. When you look at it, it is closing pretty much all candles above the area of $85,000. It is fighting as hard as possible. So I have to be conclusive about the fact that if you look at on the daily candles, even if you look at the red one, it did close above $85,000. So in the general scheme of things, if we look at it, Bitcoin is putting up a fight and is saying that I don't want to go to a $74,000 because I told you that below 85, the only area you have is 74. The rest of the stuff, it can go and react to it, but all we care about is the $74,000 area. But if it is not closing two candles below it on daily, which it is not, if you look at it, that means that Bitcoin is trying its best to stay above this area and close above this area and keep on the upward journey. Now, for us to have any hopes of bullish rally starting, we need $90,000 because once it starts living above 90, our first target is 97,300, then 110. But if it is not able to stay above $90,000, which it has tried its best to go above that $90,000, but it was not able to. It went up with one candle, and second candle it went down. That shows that at least it has problems with the $90,000 area, and only after conquering $90,000 I can say that Bitcoin is starting an upward journey. Other than that, if you look at it from structures perspective, I don't see any structures. If it somehow starts living in this area and spends some time and draw a little bit here, widens it a little and then starts going up, then we will have a double bottom, which is a bullish structure, and the neckline of this thing will be at $95,000. So this whole big structure will be able to push us towards 110 without a problem. But right now we are seeing this anomaly of one little dildo in this area. This is causing problems. But if Bitcoin lives in this area for a few days and then starts going up, then that would be a better structure. So we don't have any structure to look at, and I can go and bite on it. But on a surface level, Bitcoin looks fine. It is holding 85. As long as it holds 85, things looks things look okay. I don't see any problem with it. And if we look at it just from short-term perspective, just a second. I think that if Bitcoin goes and breaks above $90,000, it can finally start its journey of breaking this downward trend as well. It would require a bit more. It would require $95,000 to be confirmed, but I think it is going to spend some time. So I am bullish on Bitcoin at this stage. At least what I see, it gives us hope that March is going to be green rather than red. So I'm not going to be bearish. I'll get bearish once Bitcoin forms two daily candles below $85,000. Then I'll start talking about 74. If that is not happening, I'll be more inclined towards upward journey than the downward. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.